granddaughter of a veteran as well as the daughter of a veteran. So the service that was provided to the men and women of the United States of America and what they have done means a lot to me as well as to everyone else.
I joined JROTC because some of my friends had done it and I was really interested in what it was a part, and then I continued to stay through the program because of the community and the family that it fostered.
Giving back to our veterans at any given time during the year is so important, just for everything they've done for our country, for our communities, at any given time, for all the things.
Triad Honor Flight is a 501c3, and we send veterans to Washington, D.C. for free to visit all of their memorials and to make sure that they are recognized for their service that they have given to our country.
Well, basically when you're there, you realize one thing, that you got to take care of one another. Everybody bleeds red, you know what I mean? And even though there were indifferences during that time, but you learned to be brothers in war.
I'm here at the Veterans Day Parade. It's my first time volunteering here, and I'm loving all the camaraderie that I'm seeing between everyone. I've met a lot of military personnel. I actually planned a commission out of North Carolina A&T State University in the Army ROTC program. So seeing all the lovely faces out here, getting some background information on what it takes to be an officer in the United States Army, it really means a lot to me. I really wanted to give back to those who have served before me.
Y'all out here every year in force. Why is it so important for you to be out here?
It's important for us to be out here because we want the community to understand we support our veterans. Without our veterans, we wouldn't even exist. We need them. They've done things, great things in the past, present, and in the future.
It is very important for the public to stay connected with our veterans because, especially this time of year, there are a lot of veterans that don't have family or friends in the area. So we need to do, the American Legion likes to do buddy checks, and we ask the community to do the same thing. If you know a veteran, check on them, especially our older veterans and even our younger veterans. If they're a veteran, check on them because holidays can be a very tough time for a veteran.
I just putting it together, getting in touch with all the veterans group, seeing some of our older veterans come out and be recognized, especially our Vietnam veterans. They didn't get this welcome when they came back from Vietnam, and that's when I served during that time.